If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making the 56th holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making BALLAVA KORA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 3 tablespoons of ghee, a quarter cup of jaggery or gur, a quarter cup of sugar. Then take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it. And we need about a teaspoon of that. Then 1 cup of grated coconut and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now in a pan, take about 2 tablespoons of ghee followed by half a liter of milk. Now bring this to boil on high flame, then reduce the flame to medium and keep the flame constant at this temperature because we need to reduce the milk to a thick consistency. So as of now, it requires occasional stirring. When the quantity is almost half, then it requires continuous stirring. And if you have non-stick pan just like this, then it will be easy for you. So after some time, you will get something like this. And this is nothing but rabdi, but we need a thick consistency. So for that, keep stirring and keep reducing it. And when you reach at this stage, lower the flame to low, and we don't need to cook further. Just add the jaggery and the quarter teaspoon of salt and combine it really well with the reduced milk. Now transfer this into a bowl and let it cool down. Then in the same pan or in another pan, add about quarter cup of water followed by the sugar and boil it till the sugar dissolves. Then after that, lower the flame to low and add all the grated coconut. And as soon as you add the coconut, you will see it will release moisture. So to reduce the moisture, do not hide the flame. Let it cook on low flame for roughly about 4-5 minutes. But keep in mind, it should not turn darker in color. As soon as you notice that it turns to a light yellow, add the Khoya that we made earlier, the clove and cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of ghee and quarter teaspoon of salt, and mix it up really well. And after it's well combined, switch off the flame and let it cool down for roughly about 10 minutes. Then while it's still warm, take a small portion in your hand and shape it like a ball, and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, BALLAVA KORA. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.